Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. Cost accounting is that branch of accounting which aims at generating information to control operations with a view to maximizing profits and efficiency of the company. That is why it is also termed control accounting. Conversely, management accounting is the type of accounting which assists management in planning and decision-making and thus known as decision accounting. So, let's look into the basic differences between cost accounting and management accounting in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The accounting related to the recording and analyzing of cost data is cost accounting. The accounting related to the producing information which is used by the management of the company is management accounting. Number 2. Cost accounting provides quantitative information only. On the contrary, management accounting provides both quantitative and qualitative information. Number 3. The primary objective of the cost accounting is the ascertainment of cost of producing a product, but the main objective of the management accounting is to provide information to managers for setting goals and future activity. Number 4. Cost accounting is related to ascertainment, allocation, distribution and accounting phase of cost. On the flip side, management accounting is associated with impact and effect aspect of cost. Number 5. There are specific rules and procedure for preparing cost accounting information while there is no specific rules and procedures in case of management accounting information. Number 6. Cost accounting records past and present data, whereas management accounting gives more stress on the analysis of future projections. Number 7. Cost accounting stresses on short-range planning, but management accounting focuses on long and short-range planning, for which it uses high-level techniques such as probability structure, sensitivity analysis, etc. And, difference number 8, while management accounting can't be installed in the absence of cost accounting has no such requirement, it can be installed without management accounting. Both the cost accounting and management accounting are a part of accounting. They are helpful for ensuring the smooth and efficient running of the business. On the basis of the information provided by the two entities, various analyses are conducted. Cost accounting aims at reducing extra expenditure, eliminating unnecessary costs and controlling various costs. On the other hand, management accounting aims at the planning of policies, strategy formulation, setting goals, etc. So, these are the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.